Speakers fill my ballroom, the event is never small. And social pages say I've got the biggest balls of all. I've got big balls, I've got big balls, they're such big balls.
Okay guys, we've got the Devil Forge fired up off the propane tank. The boundary mold is set. It'd be cool. It'd be enough to get that wall forward. There's the Devil Forge. And silver in the middle. Coming out here to set this thing up. Kind of a pain. You have to find an open area in your yard and make sure everything is really safe on the connections. Let's see how we're doing. It's been about 5 minutes. Normally it takes 15. Yeah, still not melting. Oh yeah, we got a full melt on that silver. Okay, we're gonna pour it now. There she is. Had a little bit of spillage on the side, but not too bad. I don't know if that filled or not, to tell you the truth. I'm really hoping. I think I had about 41, 42 ounces in there, and almost all of it went down the hole. So we are all turned off now. Everything's back to normal, but it's hot as hell. You can see where I set that crucible and burned the dirt right there. So I don't know, let's let this sit for a while, then we'll come back. Here's your first look-see. Whoa. Look at that, Greg. Oh, that's beautiful. Can't get too close because it is red hot, but that looks pretty darn good to me. Okay, we're just gonna let that cool just like that. I think we gotta fill. I'm not sure these channel locks are big enough for this thing. Let's see. Let's see how this goes. I'm doing this one-handed, so bear with me. That is truly bitchin'. Okay. Don't want to drop it. I've done this before and gotten a face full of Petrobond, so I've learned. There we go. There she is. Get off of there, you. Oh, man. There we go. Can't tell, that bottom is so black. That thing is huge. I don't know how you are going to hold 2 of these in your hand, honest to God. But there's number 1. Okay, we'll get working on that in a little bit. Smoke, baby. Smoking. Look at the size of that thing. Look at the size of that thing compared to those channel locks. Those are not small channel locks, dudes. Compared to my foot. Oh yeah, I'm wearing flip-flops. I'm sorry. There she is. Okay, stage 1. God, look at that thing. Dang. That is an impressive sprue, I have to say. I hate to cut it off, to tell you the truth. Look at that thing. See how big that is? Let's see if we got our dimensions. We're shooting for 2 3/8, I believe. So Let's see. You gotta do it like this. Well, that looks like 2, but the ball was 2 3/8. Do not do this to me. Here's the ball, the cue ball I ordered, which is a 2 3/8 size cue ball, so that is identical to that. Oh, I see. I gotta hold it so you can see it. Yeah. No? I don't know, man. This is supposed to be a 2 3/8 cue ball. Maybe we should do it a different way. Maybe we should put it down and then measure from the ground up. Let's see. Now, doing it that way, it totally looks like 2 3/8. I don't know. I think we're dealing with some. Wait a minute, I gotta get this down on the ground. I think we're dealing with some optical illusions here. Yeah. So like that, it's definitely 2 3/8. It just depends how you measure it. Okay, because that's what I ordered, a 2 3/8 oversized cue ball. Okay, so let's get on to cleaning this up. But I would love to leave that sprue on it for a while. Okay, getting closer. I've been working on this for about 40 minutes with hacksaw and file. I'm going to need to get a belt sander, I think, to finish this guy off, because we got a little disconnect here. We got about a 1/16 of an inch overlap, which I hate to lose all the silver, but I'm not going to give up now. So be back at you. Holy mackerel. Okay, another 45 minutes later. We're getting a little closer. A lot of silver coming off this thing, though. I'm catching maybe a third of it. There we go. Getting closer, though. Huh? We'll go bowling. Just hope this thing is round when I get done. Okay, I want to get to the part where I clean it up, because it's going to be pretty. Just you can't see it yet. Hello, ball. You haven't beaten me yet. Getting closer. You are wearing me out, though, you little ball. I'll tell you what. We got a long way to go, but it's starting to look round. Oh, man, look at that. That's looking nicer. Okay, continuing to work on this ball. It is much better. That is a lot of grinding I've been doing on this thing. Getting better.
My big ball should be held every night.